actually finished my workout early today because my stomach is not having it. I ate before I came to the gym, which is completely my fault, but usually I'm on the Stairmaster for probably like an hour and a half, and then the rest, like I do my arms for the rest of the time. But today I just stayed on the stationary bike, and now I'm gonna go home because my stomach is hurting. So I forgot my vlogging camera, but we're at Target, you guys. Alright guys, so I finished laundry and I also went to the grocery store to buy some groceries for the week for my meal prep. Usually after I work out, I shower right away because I just don't really like feeling all sweaty and stuff. But I am going to Mass in a couple of hours and I'm going to be putting on makeup, so I'm going to go ahead and not shower for the moment and just, you know, chill in my seat because I don't want to go in my bed all sweaty. And then I'm gonna shower after Mass because I just want to like have a clean canvas for the whole week. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and put back all of my laundry. Hey, if you're like, why do you look like that? It's because this is what you would see if I like stood correctly. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm looking forward for the shower because I just really feel really sticky right now, but I'm gonna be putting on makeup, so it's like kind of counterproductive if I put on makeup after I shower and then I'm gonna have to shower again because I never go to sleep without taking a shower anyways. Hey guys, so I just finished putting away my laundry. Now I'm gonna get some editing done before I start my homework because I'm actually behind on my schedule. I didn't upload a video today. Obviously today is Sunday. It's currently 3:16 right now. My Mass is at 5:30 and I'm gonna start getting ready like 4:30, and that should give me enough time to, you know, edit, do some work, and then get ready for church. But yeah, a lot of you guys were at, and it is from Fashion. This bodysuit was actually, you guys really like that. Okay, so I got the Real Techniques body and face sponge. It says it's for bronzer and tanner. I've actually used this before though, but not in the color pink, so I think this is like a new color. And then I also got the original one, which is the tiny one, but look how big this is, guys. I'm gonna use this today to get ready for church, and then I'm gonna use this when I go to Vegas. I got the one with the little case, so it's a little bit better when it comes to traveling. And then I also picked up these travel size containers. Again, I'm traveling this week, so I need these. And then I picked up these wipes, one for my purse, one for my gym bag, and then this is for the plane. I don't really like touching the seats of the plane without cleaning it first. A Vino face wash. They didn't have my favorite one, which is the one from St. Ives, so this one will do. Then I also have the St. Ives blackhead clearing. This is the full size, this is the travel size. This is one of my favorites, but the one that I always use is the apricot. It's like a textured face wash, but honestly it has done amazing to my skin, and I know everyone's skin is like different, so I don't know if it'll work for you, but it definitely works for me. So I recommend you guys trying this before saying no to it. I bought this basic cotton rounds to travel. What's up, guys? We just finished Mass. Now we're going home. Sorry, I obviously didn't get to vlog there. But yay! So I am home now. I finished Mass. Now I'm gonna go ahead and upload my video, and I'm also gonna finish my homework. Now my homework is not due till Tuesday at night, like midnight, but I just like want to finish that, get that out of the way. And I'm also gonna be planning my week. So this is my little daily planner. If you guys watch my video about like getting your shit together, tips and tricks video, you've seen this. I'll put the link if you guys are interested in watching that, and I'll also put the link to my Amazon shop or page, whatever you want to call it, to the link to this if you guys are interested in purchasing that. Also, Glossier sent the birthdaybalm.com. It's their, I think, 9th anniversary, 10th anniversary, number anniversary, and I guess this is their collection. I don't know if this is on their website, but I have the coconut balm.com, but I've never tried the birthday one, and this is what it looks like. And it came in the perfect time because I'm actually running out of my favorite lip balm at the moment, and I have to go to Sephora to get it, but this will do for now. Also guys, be sure to like open my description box, because literally if you just scroll down, all the coupons are there. I got you guys for DoorDash, SHEIN, there's my coupon code if you guys ever want to shop SHEIN, BOOHOO, CLASSPASS, GLOSSIER, Ebates, Magic Links. Just like, you know, check it, because you got some hidden goodies there. Also, I always have to make sure to charge my iPad the night before, because, oh look, see, it's like 14%. This is what I mostly use throughout the day at school or when I'm running out errands, because I can't bring my laptop. Well, I can bring it, but I like just do not want to bring my laptop because it's kind of big. But this one is basically my mini laptop that I can type, so I have to make sure that this is charged before I go to sleep tonight. So right now it is 14%, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge that. Well, let's go ahead and work on my little weekly to-do pad, to-do list. And this was my schedule last week. For my workout, I book my classes through ClassPass. So I have a couple of workouts lined up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and jot all of these down to here. You guys, I just updated my Poshmark. Follow me, because look, everyone has been buying my stuff and I'm so happy. And I'm slowly but surely adding more fall and winter items. But yeah, I have a ton of bikinis here, dresses, and I saw them literally so cheap, you guys, so cheap. It's like this Acne Studio fleece jacket is like $95 and I'm selling it for $20. Like, it's just a good deal. These are the items that I put up on my Poshmark literally a day ago or 2 days ago, and a lot of you guys have picked them up, so thank you so much for purchasing my Poshmark. So right now I just finished printing all the shipping address for them to go on this little package, and I'm gonna try to fit all the clothing in here. Well, not all of them in one, but like, you know what I mean. So hopefully it fits. But yeah, so I have a couple of things to pack here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack these. So again, if you guys would like to purchase my clothes that I've only worn once or twice, literally for just a picture or a video, go ahead in my Poshmark, which is this one right here, and yeah, enjoy. They're really, really affordable, you guys. Like, I promise you, I don't charge them more than $20. If anything, everything is less than $20, even less than $15. So check it out. Look what I got from SHEIN, because I just recently started doing meal prep, and I got these lunch boxes from SHEIN. It comes with chopsticks, a spoon. How freaking cute! Look how big this PR package is from Pixie. Oh my god. Oh my god, Heart is in here. That's the owner. She's another YouTuber. Wait, it's missing. Oh, it's right here. Oh my god, I was like, wait, what happened? Oh my god, like, thank you so much, Pixie. Oh my god. I got this PR package from Briogeo, and look how cute it is, you guys. Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask, and they even included a little freaking, what do you call this? I don't know, like a honey thing. And then this is the product, and oh my god, like, it's so freaking cute. Thank you so much. Hello guys, so as you can see, I am now clean. It feels so good to shower. Oh my god, cannot believe I didn't shower right after I worked out, but I'm finally clean. I'm gonna go ahead and end off the vlog or the video here because from this point on I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off my homework. So I'll be on the computer probably for another an hour and a half. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys would like to see more of these routine videos and like a vlog style, I guess, let me know down below. And yeah, anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. I look like a fetus, but I'm 23. Also, this shirt was thrifted. Amazing. I love wearing these to sleep with no pants. Alright, okay, bye guys.